Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I am Rubina Abu Bakar. Step 1, decimal to binary conversion is 255. Divide 255 by 2. 255 divided by 2 is equals 127, remainder 1. Divide 127 by 2. 127 divided by 2 equals 63. The remainder is 1. Divide 63 by 2. 63 divided by 2 equals 31. The remainder is 1. Divide 31 by 2. 31 divided by 2 equals 15. The remainder is 1. Divide 15 by 2. 15 divided by 2 equals 7. The remainder is 1. Divide 7 by 2. 7 divided by 2 equals 3. The remainder is 1. Divide 3 by 2. 3 divided by 2 equals 1. The remainder is 1. Divide 1 by 2. 1 divided by 2 equals 0. The remainder is 1. Binary representation is 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. Step 2. Octal to decimal conversion. This shows how to convert the octal number 400 to decimal. Step 1. Expand the number. Write the octal number in positional notation. Each digit is multiplied by a power of 8. Corresponding to each position, write most digit is 8 to the power of 0. Next is 8 to the power of 1, etc. Step 2. Calculate power of 3. Of 8. Calculate the power of 8. 8 to the power of 0 equals 1. 8 to the power of 1 equals 8. 8 to the power of 2 equals 64. Evaluate the expanded expansion to get the decimal equivalent. Answer correct states that the decimal equivalent of octal 400 is 256. Stop post. Step 3. Java program for decimal binary conversion. This section presents a Java program that converts decimal to binary. 1. Import the Java util scanner class for user input. 2. Create a scanner object to read user input. 3. Prompt the user to enter a decimal number. 4. Use scanner next and open a close parenthesis and open parenthesis to read the decimal input. 5. Close the scanner object. 6. Call the decimal to binary, close parenthesis and open parenthesis method to convert the decimal number. 7. Display the binary representation. This is the code. That's it. Thank you for watching.